There is one company on earth that makes the machines that make the chips. Every semiconductor fab that matters, Taiwan, South Korea, the Netherlands, runs on equipment from ASML. You cannot, of course, build a modern chip without them. On the 16th of May, Tata Electronics has signed an MOU with ASML. The location is Dholera, Gujarat. The investment is $11 billion. Tata, of course, is building a 300mm commercial lab. Taiwan's PSMC is already locked in for the technology, production nodes running from 28 nanometer down to 110 nanometer. ASML, which is headquartered in Veldhoven in the Netherlands, has 44,000 employees and brings the lithography suite, the machines which actually print the circuits onto the silicon. CEO Randhir Thakur has spoken about supply chain resilience. ASML's Christophe Fouquet has spoken about building local talent. The MOU is signed, and of course now the construction will follow. The harder question, of course, resides behind the announcement, which is the fact that a fab is not an easy assembly line. Semiconductor manufacturing, as we all know, is among the most technically demanding processes on earth. Lithography alone operates at atomic precision. India does not currently have a deep pool of engineers trained to run these machines. Tata says they are building one, of course. International training programs, research and development infrastructure, a pipeline, if you will, from India's engineering colleges onto the fab floor. Whether that pipeline is ready when the machines arrive is the question nobody, unfortunately, is answering in the press release. The countries that do this well have been doing it for 40 years. We need to be aware of that. If Tata delivers, the consequence is quite straightforward. India stops depending on foreign supply chains for the component that sits inside every smartphone, every EV, every AI application. High-value manufacturing jobs in Gujarat, for sure. Silicon designed and built at home. And here, of course, is the front page take. Tata already has the footprint: Gujarat, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, electronics manufacturing at serious scale. ASML gives them the tool that every other serious semiconductor nation has spent decades trying to access. The ambition is credible. The timeline is actually the variable nobody controls as yet. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.